Well, students, for better understanding, I have taken another example of the same nature, but the set are different. Why it is so? I mean to clarify here the fact that whenever you are studying function, then you have to think over the set, in which set you are working. Other to that, you think the domain, codomain and range, accordingly you can have your good decision. Otherwise you will be in problem. So be careful. That's why I have taken the similar problem. Here the functions are same. Fx is 2x, that has been explained earlier. Now here function same function is there, but their domain and codomain are different. Earlier the codomain was natural number, domain was natural number. So this is the case. The function is 1 in 2 because there are many elements in the codomain which is not having its pre-image in the domain, that I have explained. So this part is over now. Just I am rubbing here. It is over. Now the second part here I have given f is a function of real number to real number. Yani domain is the set of real number, codomain is the set of real number, and the same function is there. And here z to z, codomain is integer, domain is integer. So let us think about it. So let us take first second solution second. So first I would like to take 1 1. Let us take 1 1. How? Let fx1 is equal to fx2. My intention is to just make you free in answering the question as far as possible. Let us take fx1 is equal to fx2. I have taken same images. Image of x1 is same as image of x2. In that case, 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Now, it is very much clear that 2 is cancelled out. 2 is cancelled out. So, x1 is equal to x2. So, this is implying, therefore, f is 1 1. You can give conclusion like this. Now, let us take the second part. I am coming to on 2. For the on 2, I have already made clear that let y is equal to fx. Therefore, y is equal to 2x. Now, transfer x in terms of y. Just mind it. You have to transfer x in terms of y. So, what is x here? X is equal to y by 2. Since x is y by 2, in that case, what you will find? That y belongs to real number. Because the second set is codomain is the real number. Y belongs to real number. Automatically, y by 2 belongs to real number. So, y by 2 is a real number. For every real number, we get a real number. So, this implies no element of the codomain is left without having its pre-image in the domain. Therefore, it is on 2. Therefore, this is function 1 1 and on 2. Okay? Now, similar manner, I am taking decision fast and leaving this question for you. Now, fx1 is fx2. You will get this part easy in this last one. Now, problem arises in case of 1 2 only. 1 2, let us take 2x is equal to y. 2x equal to y. What does it mean? X equal to y by 2. Now, can you get y by 2 is an integer? No, because y is integer. It may be 1, it may be 2. If it is 2, okay. If it is 3, not okay. Because 1 by 2 is not integer, 3 by 2 is not integer. So it is not satisfying all value of y. So this implies this doesn't belongs to z. Therefore this is not on 2. This is simply in 2. So this is first 1 1 in 2. Now after that, in short time, I would like to give the idea of injective, surjective and bijective. Simply I would like to give the name. I hope it is clear now. Let us come to the naming of injective, surjective and bijective, so that you should not confuse in answering the question of at your level. Let us think about. Think about it. One-on function, one-on function, one-on function is called injective. Injective. Mind it. The word injective come from injection, one to one, inject. So this is injective. Now second, onto function is known as surjective. Surjective. This is onto function. Now if the function is one onto is called bijective. So mind it, be careful, another to that, bijective. That is, one function is injective, onto function is surjective, and this one-on-onto function is known as surjective. So here is the case of the similar condition. If there is a question to check the injectivity, surjectivity and bijectivity, so please mind it, you have to follow this norm. One I have given you the idea how to prove it. Onto I have given the idea how to prove it. One on two you have seen with the help of the example. Now after that we shall see some problems of exercise 1.2 now. Thank you. We shall see in the next video.